Ayike guys, azipheli ezokucheat-a. Kunama rumors laphana athi u-Andile Mpisane is allegedly cheating on uThamiya Mpisane with uYams Zwakala. So khona abaposte laphana basho ukuthi babonakalile in the club bekhozi. Okay guys, I'm gonna post the video. Now uyibonile ukuthi they were really cozy or what. But before that, let's check the comments. Uthi-ke lona Andile is still young. He must eat those cakes before it's too late. Hey, abantu bayahlanya yezwa. U-Andile, yes, he's too young. U-Andile mawukuthi uyayibona ukuthi he's too young. Wayeshadelani ke pho? Yini ayenza usashade bekuthi uyayibona usamncane? Come on guys. Naye lo nkosikazi wakhe akamthathanga u-Andile ehlahleni, wamthatha kusithelo shows. Yo, ayike sana. She thought she's special. Nazo-ke hawu bafethu. Ngokwenzani manje? Athi lona, she was and she still is. He chose her and married her. Stop being bitter. Yeah. Good answer. She thought it will never happen to her after what she did to uSithelo. Yo guys. Kanti uThamiya guys washaya uSithelo emva kwendlebe yini? Mina hey angazi phela guys ngizona. Wesithelo ngiyangimemeza bo. Ayibandla. Alright ke guys, nayi-ke le video le epostele le page base bathenene uYams Zwakala no Andile Mpisane wekhozi. Mina angiboni umuntu okhozi with anyone la. Kuwukuthi nje nangu uYams Zwakala uhleli laphayana, nangu no Andile Mpisane umile laphayana. Just because they're on the same table doesn't mean they are cozy. Abantu guys, okay, asicheck nama comments sibone ukuthi bona bebeyibona yini le coziness, mina ngayiboni. Uthi-ke lona Yams is so quiet and you just provoking her, like seriously guys. Andiyiboni mina ke cozy night nami bandla angibo. Latoya's lies. Where is the cozy lana? Yabo everyone my comments were saying the same thing ukuthi guys bakhozi kuphi? Bakhozi kuphi? Abantu bayathanda nje ukusukela into engekho. Exactly, cozy way. Like seriously. Uthi Andile mawukuthi uyachitha guys, mhlawumbe uyachitha asazi, but akho proof okwamanje. Can the cozy locate us, because I'm trying to find it. I can't see it nam guys. So nje this is guys just ama rumors nje lawa are alleged and there is no proof. Is the cozy in the room with us? Like seriously, I'm so confused. I am very very confused. Oh kodwa guys, hayi khaniyeke omnye umntana. And yazi kujwayelekile nje ukuthi lama blogs lawa avela apost ngokuthi uYams Zwakala uchitha nobani kanjani. Bahlezi nje bemsukela singaziki. Do you all even know the definition of cozy? Exactly. Cabanga umntana uhlelele omunye umele kuthiwa bakhozi. Anything that does not come from Musa Khawula is not true. These other ones are only taking chances. Yeah. Ngoba Musa Khawula bengakayikhulumi le ndaba asikholwa. Angeke nje size sikholwe until ize ishiwo uMusa. And uMusa mesho something ngike shembandla ufika nama ukhipha ama files akhiphe ne proof. Laba nje abanye ayi cha guys. Ayi asiphumeni nganeni yabantu guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.